Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. In today's video, we will be comparing two popular robot vacuum cleaners, the Shark AV1010AE IQ robot vacuum and the iRobot Roomba 694. This comparison is based on online reviews and feature comparisons. Let's dive in and see which one comes out on top in various categories. The Shark AV1010AE IQ robot vacuum is priced at $379, while the iRobot Roomba 694 is priced at $274. It's clear that the Roomba 694 offers a more budget-friendly option. The Shark AV1010AE IQ robot vacuum boasts a self-emptying base that can hold up to 45 days of dirt and debris. It also offers faster mapping and improved carpet cleaning performance compared to its previous model. With the Shark Clean app or voice control, you can schedule whole home cleaning or target specific rooms. On the other hand, the iRobot Roomba 694 comes with personalized cleaning suggestions powered by the unique intelligence of iRobot OS. Its three-stage cleaning system lifts dirt and debris from both carpets and hard floors. The Roomba 694 also features iRobot's patented Dirt Detect technology, which allows it to detect dirtier areas and clean them more thoroughly. When it comes to performance, both robot vacuums offer powerful suction. The Shark AV1010AE IQ robot vacuum is designed for homes with pets, capturing dust, dander, and pet hair. It also uses row-by-row cleaning to ensure complete home coverage. The iRobot Roomba 694, on the other hand, adapts to multiple floor surfaces, including hardwood and carpet. It uses dual multi-surface brushes that flex to adjust to different floor types. The Roomba 694 also has a runtime of 90 minutes before automatically docking and recharging. Navigation is an important aspect of any robot vacuum. The Shark AV1010AE IQ robot vacuum offers total home mapping and room select features. It maps your home and allows you to choose which rooms to clean immediately, ensuring efficient cleaning. Similarly, the iRobot Roomba 694 comes with a full suite of advanced sensors, allowing it to navigate under and around furniture and along edges. It also features cliff detect, which prevents it from falling down stairs. Overall, the Shark AV1010AE IQ robot vacuum is praised for its effectiveness and time-saving capabilities, while the iRobot Roomba 694 is appreciated for its solid performance and ability to clean pet hair. The choice ultimately depends on your specific needs and budget. And there you have it. We've compared the Shark AV1010AE IQ robot vacuum and the iRobot Roomba 694 in various categories. Both products have their unique features and advantages. Ultimately, the choice depends on your specific needs and budget. We hope this comparison has helped you in making an informed decision. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons and buying guides. Thanks for watching Buy Smart, and we'll see you in the next video.